Alright, here's my quantum fuel system pump for my 77 C10. I got an 87 and up gas tank with the baffle in it. And then this is the sending unit that quantum fuel system makes. It has 6 AN fittings on it. I ordered it with the 255 pump, and it's got the sending unit, it's wired, everything's ready to go. They're pretty easy to install in this tank. See if I can do it one-handed again though. Drop that down in there, set it down in nice and easy. 2 little notches, fits in just like the factory tank. I went ahead and just slid the O-ring over the top of it, and then you pretty much just make sure the O-ring's in there where it goes, and then set your pump back in the groove, and you put your locking retainer on and lock it down, and you'll be good to go, ready to make the fuel lines. They make regular ones, but the 6 AN ones is good if you're running an LS conversion like I am, because you're going to run high pressure fuel lines anyways. Alright, pumps in, seals in, lock rings in. Now you gotta do suck up your ground, fuel pump wire, sending unit wire, your vent, and your draw and return. When you put that in, if the tank has had gas in it before, use a punch that won't cause a spark. This was a new tank, so no big deal. Just in case you had a spark and there was old fuel in the tank, you don't want to ignite the tank on yourself.